You know everybody been waiting on that baby, man. Ever since baby on baby drop, man. Ever since baby on baby drop. Let's go. I needed some shit with some bop to fly her across the country. I finished the show and I've been it. I got me a milli. I'm a hot nigga. Oh, you asking for pictures with
niggas? What's your name? Get the fuck out the spot, nigga.
I woke up.
Hey, babe.
It's Queen Ray.
And
Welcome back to our channel. So it's early morning and we are going to be making breakfast. Right, Bubby? Okay, we're making breakfast. So what happened was the boys are at church. The boys are doing their thing. So we're going to do ours. Ready? All right, so what we going to be cooking today, Bubby? We're doing it the easy route because I'm bad at pancakes. So microwavable edition. Get it done like this.
Sausage.
We have sausages. Oh, I got those here sausages.
Cheese.
Cheese is for what?
Cheese is for the...
No. The cheese is for
the eggs.
the eggs. So you got cheese.
For the eggs. And then we got the eggs.
Eggs. And then what else? What's that?
We got the potatoes.
Potatoes for what? What am I making with those? You remember?
We're gonna put them on the little plate.
And we're gonna cut them.
Uh-huh.
And then we're gonna fry them. And what they call?
Potatoes.
Home fries. So we're gonna make home fries, eggs, sausage, and pancakes. Oh yeah, we have our breaks, right? So first we gotta take our potatoes and rinse them. I'm gonna cut them up. This is gonna be a quick, easy video because the only thing we have to cook is the eggs, the potatoes, and the sausages.
Juice.
All right, let me see. I look like bedtime.
This is bedtime.
Bedtime's finest.
that.
Okay. So we're gonna cut our potatoes. Potatoes already cut.
Yeah.
We have our pan. We're getting ready to put the pancakes in the oven. It won't take long to cook anything. The eggs and the sausages. I know I don't eat eggs, so only person eating eggs will be
Me.
her.
In my
Okay. No, she don't want them. All right. So you want 2 pancakes? I'll take 2.
Yeah, I want
So that's 4. We can put the
put the eggs right here. It's like close to
Alright,
the...
turn that down. Now we're gonna have our sausages. Let's start frying our sausage. So you want 2, I want 2.
Uh-huh. And we're gonna have 2 of the sausage.
So Bubby knows her sight words, right?
Yes.
Ooh, what's your sight words? Let's see. Let's see if you can spell it for the peoples. Let's see.
Okay. So
4.
F-O-R 4.
Good. What about her?
H-E-R her.
Very good. And what about C?
C.
I'm just taking off the skin because I don't like the skin on my sausages.
C?
I eat them like this.
C-A.
Just take the coat off. You're in the house. Take your coat off.
Mommy, it's C-A-N.
That's can.
I don't know how to spell C.
C, yes you do. S-E-E.
Oh, S-E-E-C.
All right, what else? We.
Wait, W-E-We.
Very good.
That was an easy one.
What about me?
Me.
What about me?
M.
Me.
E. Me.
Very good.
M-E. Me.
Very good. So we have our sausages cooking. Now we can start to prep for our eggs.
Because mommy don't eat eggs.
Mama don't eat them things. Wait. You're going to get your shells and then I have to see if you can crack it. Let's see. Bubby wants to crack the egg. job. Okay.
I didn't get the whole shell in it.
Okay, give me the shell.
Now I'm gonna
Put it in the sink for now. Be careful. Ooh, be careful. Good, good. Open it. Open it up. Open it up. Woo!
I didn't put my shell in there that time.
Good job.
I didn't.
Good job. Okay.
I'm just gonna watch.
Okay. She did a good job with her eggs.
My
Now you can
eggs?
take your
My spoon.
stir it up. Sausage is cooking back there. We're gonna stir our eggs up.
Stir.
And then we're gonna put our
Stir
cheese.
fry.
There you go. You're gonna put your cheese in it.
It's like worry.
Stir it up.
So now you're teaching me how to make an egg.
Yep. So now we got the grease, the pot on for the eggs.
It's going really good.
We can dump our eggs in the pot. That's good enough. That's mixed up. Ready? Now come over here.
Okay. Do I bring the bowl with me?
Yep. Come on. Let's go. Be careful because this is the stove and it's hot.
Can you help me?
Yes. You're going to take it and just pour it in a bowl. Come on, let's do it together. Just going to put it like that. There you go. That's it.
My eggs are all finished.
That's it. So the eggs are in there. The eggs are cooking. And now we have to check on our sausage.
I need to move back a little bit.
Sausage is almost done.
Like sausages.
They don't take long, right?
Yeah.
Quick.
They don't really take long. They take like 10 minutes.
So while that's cooking, I'm gonna cut the potatoes. Just went to work, right?
Uh-huh.
And he was mad. He wanted us to make this breakfast earlier so he could eat some. But we wasn't doing it because it was only for me and you.
Yeah, because he was still sleeping, and we didn't want to wake him up because it was our breakfast.
He said, "Oh well, I guess I'll just go get me a butter roll." I said, "Well, you best to go get you a butter roll then. Go on ahead." He was so sad. Okay, so our sausages is done. So the sausages are finished. Now we gotta put some So now we're gonna put some oil in this pan
Oil.
so we can
Yeah,
fry
because they always need oil.
so we can make our home fries. And we don't need much, just a little bit,
Yeah, because if we have much, then they're gonna burn. Like they're gonna.
Actually made more than enough. I know she's not gonna eat that many home fries.
Who, me?
Yeah. So I actually made more than I needed.
So just give some to yourself. Oh, and you're gonna eat the pancakes, the home fries, and the sausage, and that's it. You're only eating
So I'm cutting up my ooh,
3 things. They was in there.
I forgot. All right, the eggs are done.
We're gonna put
Put our potatoes in the pan.
our home fries. Our home
Yep.
fries.
Why do you think they call these home fries?
I think they call it
You should
a
come over
home
here.
fry.
Why do you think they call them home fries?
I think those call home fries because that when you get the home fries, they call it home fries because it's home fries
What? What? Okay. So, why do you think they call these sausages? Because they're sausages. What about, where does eggs come from? What animal does eggs come from?
Pigs.
Pigs?
Yeah.
Sanai,
What?
you don't know what animal eggs come from?
No.
What about pigs?
A chicken.
That's where the eggs come from. What animal does...
How am I supposed to know? I'm only a kid.
You a kid, but a lot of kids know where eggs come from. What about milk? What animal does milk come from?
That's easy.
What is it?
A cow.
Good girl. A cow.
Ooh, you could say pancake.
That was some kind of cute.
Bye bye, I'm going back because that's going to squirt in my eye.
Yeah, I'm just cutting up my onion, putting a little bit of my onion home fries. So that's how I like it.
You like it. You like home fries with... No, that's actually about to fall, so I just captured it. Because I didn't want it to fall, and then it was going to fall on the stove.
Tell everybody what grade you're in.
I'm in kindergarten.
You're in kindergarten, and how old are you?
5 years old.
5 years old. When is your birthday?
On the June 30th.
June 30th. Very good. And when your birthday comes, how old are you gonna be?
6 years old.
6 years old. And what's your full name?
Sanai Stratford.
Very good. Oh, you are so smart, Bubby. Those are the things that you're supposed to know. What's my full name?
Raven Brown.
What's my middle name?
Raven Sakina Brown.
Go ahead, girl. You better know your mama. You better know your
Wait,
mama.
you're Sakina?
That's my middle name.
Well, I
Very
knew
good.
it. I knew it because Elijah McKay been saying it.
Okay.
I copied off of it.
So, our potatoes is looking good. Looking good.
Like
Looking real,
2
real
brothers.
good.
Actually, I got 3 because it's Makai, Elijah, and David.
Yes. How many sisters do you have?
1.
That's to have one.
Oh,
all I
I
know.
have 2.
That's all I wrote.
I have 2.
Who the second? Autumn. That's her cousin.
Pretty sure.
And she calls her sister.
Yeah, because she is.
They're BFFs.
We're twins.
We're twins. Alright, so we're gonna let the potatoes cook and we'll
But
be.
I haven't seen
I don't have my
it in a
thing
long
on, y'all, so let me.
time.
Oh, look, that's how it's supposed to be.
Mommy,
That's how it's supposed to be.
I haven't seen
That's how it's supposed to be.
Okay.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Side, side, we bust cheeks. 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 Side, side, we bust cheeks.
We bust it. Side to side cause we bust it. Side to side cause we bust it. Say bust chicks.
What?
Say bust chicks. Side to side cause we bust it. Side to side, get low with it. Side to side, get low with it. We have our pancakes and our sausages. We have our eggs. And what else? We have our, what are they called? Home fries.
Fries.
And then we have our grapes over there.
And we have our plate.
So now we can plate it. So now I wanted to do a pancake sandwich. Right?
Yeah.
You want to do pancake sandwich? So let's see. This is our plate. You take your pancake. Wait, turn one this way. Like a burger. A little bit of eggs on it. You can eat the rest of the eggs if you want. After, leave them in there. Put that on there. Do the sausages. Ooh. And then we're gonna put the top on it. Press it down. Ooh.
Looks good.
You want syrup on it?
Yes.
Taste. Put a little bit of syrup on that thing. Yes. Okay. Now take a bite, ready? Over the plate. Ooh, yeah. That's what we talking about. It's good? Good. You like it? You made it. If you don't eat what you cook, who else gonna do it? Okay. So I got my plate. I'm gonna put my little home fries in here. You want some home fries? Grapey grapes. Little grapey grapes.
Me too. I gotta make some.
This is breakfast with Bubby, y'all. Here we go. Here.
And make some space for my
There's my plate. Let me see your plate.
my plate.
There's her plate, a little pancake sandwich. That's so cute. All right. Thank you for watching. You gotta say thank you, Bubby. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Always remember, no two people are the same. That's plain as you can see. God created you to be you, and He created me to be me. So make sure that every time you do your thing, you do it. What's the rest? Your way. She ain't up on that yet. She don't know.
Hi. Bye.
So Uncle Aaron, my brother's song, will be starting in 3, 2, 1. Hit it!
Right now, on the bed right now. Downtown, meet me right now. Drop top, stop it, hop out. She already know the rundown. Right now, on the bed right now. Downtown,